Hello guys, this is Furkan Panjwani here from Karachi, Pakistan. I have my own company, SEO Select. You can visit our website www.seoselect.com. We provide the following services: SEO services, social media marketing, digital marketing, Google AdWords paid marketing. So I am the co-founder of this company. Uh, I will tell you this is my first introduction video about SEO. Okay, so what is SEO? Basically, SEO is an search engine optimization. You can promote your business on the search engine on google.com, bing.com. You can find it here like this query. This is a keyword query, online watch in USA, or services, or SEO services, or WordPress online store. So this is different queries. You can find it here. And if you optimize your website from keyword queries, so you can get this result on top 10 of the Google, where you can generate a lot of sales and you can find your customers at this place. So here are the different searches you can see. Like I have searched about the watches, and you can see this is a website like Word of Watches, jumashop.com, ashford.com, ewatches.com. This is basically top 20 searches because I have selected number of searches from the search settings. Easily you can get it. So, so you will get top 10 searches here, or you can get on second page. You can see all this result. So this is basically the all the website. This is the website header title. This is called descriptions. And you can get 60 to 70 characters on the title, and this is description, and this is almost 140 to 150 to 160 characters. This is, and you can find this queries like discount luxury watches, best online watch store. So basically this is we worked on, this is the complete process. You can find keywords and queries on keyword planner or any other tool, and then you can do on page, which I will tell you in the next videos, and off page SEOs. So basically this is Bing. You can Bing is also another search engine after the Google, because 75% users use Google. They consider in the worldwide for different searches in different companies and products and services. Like here you can find WordPress services. You can find it. This is completely tell you about the website, like image. You can find this is thumbnails about, this is because of the block, and here you can find all the queries. You can also find on yahoo.com. If I write like t-shirts, uh, t-shirts, this is a number of pages. This is top 20 result, top 30 result. This is, you can find it on number one, top 10 result. Most of the client answer top 10 result because they find better to get customers and sales and leads from this page. If you can, whatever your is business, you can find any keyword, you will get from it here. Difference engine we count like if you are in Canada, then this will be the best solution. Like this will be the Canada searches like just watches in Canada. If you will find Canada watches like Walmart, Amazon, Timex. This is a complete detail about watches. Or here you can find any keyword like hosting services in Canada. You will find different website like hostpapa.ca, wha.ca. Same for example of this. Here you can find in Bing. You can find all the websites in Canada. So it depend upon how many queries will be used on this engine, and you can find different engine results. So this is a complete. We will tell you about complete process about SEO in the next video. Inshallah, for my second video will be about on keyword research, how you can find research on keywords or a targeted audience, long tail keyword, short tail keyword, semantic keyword, LSA keywords. So it will be worked on different industry, what type of industry, what a product are using. So it will be a better for to target in search engine to create sales and customer out to bring traffic on your websites. Thank you. I will inshallah will be next.